What if you can predict a failure before it happens? In every production, there are type of machines which are critical, and we have to keep them healthy. The cost of stopping such a critical machine is not only the cost of fixing the part of the machine. Very often this is the cost of stopping the whole production. In Seargin, we found a solution for such a problem. We've came up with vibration monitoring system. A system which collects the data via sensors and software and send it to the cloud. The sensors are fixed into the engine and through the software sends the data to the cloud. We collect different type of data, such as vibration, temperature. We can observe the anomalies, very often using AI. And based on this data, we can predict that, for example, in 2 weeks or maybe 2 months, the machine engine will stop. We can see the data in real time via computer or mobile device or directly on the monitor close to the engine. Every type of alerts we can send to the maintenance module of ERP MES like SAP. Based on such alerts, maintenance team is able to predict potential failures. And what is the most important, quickly react. There are 3 ways how you can implement our vibration predictive monitoring system. First one is just a simple audit. We can bring the monitor with sensors to your plant in just a few hours, make a test, collect the data, and give you the feedback. The second one, we can just lend you our system for a week or a month, and you can test it, collect the data, check if your machines are working properly. And the last one, we can install the system permanently, and it will monitor every parameters which are important for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Don't react ad hoc. Be prepared. Seargin.